Discover the Jamaica Health Box Hair Box, a natural solution for vibrant, healthy hair. This carefully curated bundle uses the power of Jamaican herbs to nourish your hair and scalp, promoting growth and overall hair health. The secret lies in the science. Our blend promotes scalp circulation, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. It also reduces inflammation, a common cause of hair loss, and provides essential vitamins and minerals for strong, resilient hair. Inside, you'll find rosemary, known for stimulating circulation, castor oil, a rich emollient for deep moisturization, and stinging nettle, packed with vital nutrients to fortify your hair from root to tip. Why choose natural? Because your hair deserves the best, without harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. The Hair Box offers a holistic approach, nourishing your hair naturally for long-term health and beauty. It is the Jamaican way. Ready to unlock your hair's full potential? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to order your hair box today. Experience the natural power of Jamaican herbs and embrace healthier, more beautiful hair.